Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about something that affects millions of America every single day, type 2 diabetes. If you are someone you love struggles with high blood sugar, constant tiredness, cravings, or weight gain, this video is for you. And near the end, I will also talk about a homeopathic remedy called Psygenium mother tincture that some people use as part of their wellness routine. Before we begin, this video is for educational purpose only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before starting or stopping any treatment. Type 2 diabetes happens when the body becomes resistant to insulin or does not use insulin properly. Insulin is the hormone that helps move sugar from your body into your cells for energy. When the process stops working well, sugars stay in the bloodstream and over time high blood sugar can damage the heart, kidney, nerves, eye and blood vessels. Common symptoms include frequent urination, extreme thirst, fatigue, blurry vision, slow hearing wounds, slow healing wounds, weight gain or difficulty losing weight, tingling in hand or feet. In the United States, millions of people are living with type 2 diabetes, and many do not even know they have it. Several factors can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes: eating too much processed sugar and fast food, lack of physical activity, obesity or excess belly fat, stress, and poor sleep, family history. The good news is that lifestyle change can make a hug difference. Simple habits like walking daily, reducing sugar drink, eating more protein and vegetables, and managing stress may help both healthy blood sugar level. Now let's talk about Sarginium mother tincture. Sarginium, often called Sarginium Q in homeopathic, is a remedy some people use to support blood sugar management. Many users say that they take it alongside a healthy lifestyle and regular medical care. Some people report benefits such as reduced excess thirst, better energy level, support for sugar craving, improved daily wellness routine. However, it's important to understand that scientific evidence of homeopathic remedies for diabetes is still limited. Cygenum mother should not replace prescribed diabetes medication, insulin, or professional medical care. If someone wants to try it, they should first discuss it with a licensed healthcare professional, especially if they already take blood sugar medicine. Monitoring blood sugar regularly is extremely important. Here's the truth. Managing type 2 diabetes is not about one miracle product. Real improvement usually comes from combining healthy eating, exercise, consistent sleep, stress control, regular blood sugar monitoring, and proper medical guidance. Some people also just supportive wellness products like Sarginian Q as part of their routine, but safety and medical supervision always come first. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may need this information. And comment below what has helped you most with blood sugar control. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the